Okay, so with this particular release in 24.6, we now have multiple monitor support. Now, I've already logged into head nerd number 2 for N-Central, Paul Kelly. We're going to use his particular laptop. So I'm going to pull that up here now. And as you can see to the right-hand side, under this little monitor, you can see number 2. What we can now do is fly out one of those multiple monitors so that we can obviously do our troubleshooting. So I'm going to launch that. That's going to now open up a new window. And then you can see here, if I just reduce the size a little bit, you can see that we now have another monitor where we can do troubleshooting on the other screen if we needed to. Okay, so that is now multiple monitor support with Take Control. We have another hidden gem here under chat. You will see that there is now a new chat column. We're going to click into chat and we're going to request a chat session with the end user on the other side. Now this is just a server, so I'm going to pretend to do all of that on my side here. And then I'm going to click yes, where I can now facilitate a chat with the end user. Hi, Jason, can I help you today? There's even emojis. Okay, so some awesome stuff here where you can now chat with your end user going back and forth. An awesome piece, obviously, when you're troubleshooting with end users or working with customers, you don't always want to hop into remote control and maybe interrupt them. A simple, quick chat might do the trick. Okay, so obviously adding chat into N Central. Now, you may thought I was done with Take Control. Okay, I'm not. Okay, because there is one more thing that we have included in Take Control is that we have added in what is called the Support Toolkit. If I click on the Support Toolkit, that will fly out. Now, if it does what it just did on my screen, you can actually grab it here at the bottom, move it around and pull it down. From here, what we can do is now go into a UNC path where all of your automation, your amps, and all of your PowerShell scripts, VBS, whatever it may be, um, if we go to that repository locally within your environment, what you're going to be able to, like your workstation, maybe a SharePoint, what have you, you're going to be able to now find all of your scripts. And then from there, what you're going to be able to do is now choose that, include any command line arguments, like if I was pushing software and I would put silent, well, I wouldn't even have to do that because I can actually just run silently. And then what you're going to see here is that it's going to run and then run that PowerShell natively through Take Control, and we're going to be able to get that software list. Again, that is going to be a really great way to be able to utilize the automations that you have locally to be able to run against your customer devices. Okay, so let's hop into Device Manager for Apple using or powered by Apple Business Manager. We're going to select this device because what we're going to do is we're going to tell this device to enable File Vault. So effectively, like BitLocker for Windows, we're going to ensure that there is disk encryption on this device. We're going to enable File Vault. And now that I have done that, I can now go into that device and quickly see that File Vault is now enabled. Okay, so quickly you're going to be able to turn this on any of your devices that you are managing through Device Manager for Apple.